So hello, here I want to share with you some infos about this quarter-inch ratchet I have recently uh, got. These are Gearwrench made ratchets. Here you can see the long version of their 120 XP and the standard version of their 84 fine tooth ratchet. Both of them are made in Taiwan by under the official license, and both of them have lifetime warranty. Now I'm trying to remove this boy from its packaging and show you details about it. Here you can see the ratchet itself. It is shiny. The chrome finish is not best, but is good for its price. I gave about $13 for it. The mechanism of switching operation is very smooth, and the main goal is that this ratchet has very flex head, and the head is very thin. It sounds amazing, and it is very good and suitable for doing jobs in tight places and the difficult areas. Also, the back drag is very good on this ratchet, not as good as on Snap-on or other high-end brands, but let's agree that it is a good boy for its price. Now I will compare it to my another quarter-inch ratchet. This is Williams branded USA-made ratchet. This is great tool also, but it has only 36 tools, and I want to say that today in some situations only 36 tools is not enough to do the job with the pleasure and with no difficulties. So that's why I bought this guy. Uh, as I already mentioned, the head is flexible. Here you can see it has the ball which secures it in every position. And now I will count how many positions does this ratchet have. So guys, let's move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 positions, and in every position ratchet is operating very securely. It does not wobbles, and it does not feel that this is a cheap tool. Now let's attach quarter-inch socket on it, and here you can see how it sounds. For me, the ratchet sounds amazing. I have some German-made high-end ratchets, and from this ratchet I can see that it is very good tool, sounds and operates amazing. I don't know how it will be last, but lifetime warranty and not a big deal. So guys, let's move on this guy. This is their top and 120 XP ratchet, and this is also made in Taiwan. This is a long version for the suitable for difficult situations and difficult gripping nuts, which are located somewhere not in the easy places. Now I'm trying to open this stupid packaging. I don't know why they put it here. So let's try. Now we must wait a little, and when I will unbox it fully, I will talk to you about this ratchet also. So I'm still trying to remove this flower style plastic, but it is not very easy to do it. So guys, as the ratchet is free now, once again stupid packaging, and let's look what is it. The handle is the same as on 8040's ratchet, but this ratchet has more tools, 120, and the sound of this ratchet is better than the previous one. Here you can see the part numbers of it, and it also. I want to say that the chrome finish is better on this one. Compared to the Williams, it is longer, and compared to the quarter-inch Gearwrench 8040's flex head ratchet, this is the way longer too. Here I will show you now. Here you can see. And the head style of this 120 XP ratchet is better in my opinion. It is smaller, and it is the simply best designed. So guys, here is how it sounds and how the switch operates, very smooth. I don't know if they are looped from factory, but I don't care. Now I am not going to loop them myself. Here I attached the 30mm quarter-inch socket on it, and here you can see it wobbles more than on previous ratchet, but not very crucial. The operating of it is very smooth also, and it feels in your hand very good.